Hold on to your seats, folks, because what we have here is a case that dives into not just one but two serious charges. Johnny Galvan is facing the heat for manufacturing and delivering a controlled substance in a massive quantity. We're talking over 4,200 grams. That's first-degree felony territory. And if that weren't enough, he's also charged with the burglary of a building. The stakes are high, and with a range of punishments that could land him in prison for life. This is about to get very real, very fast. But here's the twist. Galvan's team is not walking into this courtroom without strategy. They've got a plea deal in place, which means they're negotiating punishment rather than going Elon on a trial. But is this plea deal a smart move or a desperate one? Stick around to find out exactly how this case unravels, and if Johnny Galvan gets a break, or if the law comes crashing down on him. And don't forget, if you want to keep up with the most intense courtroom drama, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Let's get into the action.
All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 006113, State versus Johnny Galvan. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Jason Garahan for the state, Your Honor. David A. Garcia, for Johnny Galvan.
And are you Johnny Galvan?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Judge. Judge, sorry to interrupt, but I believe there's two cases.
There are two? Okay,
Sure.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there is. Also, the court is calling 2025 CR 006603. And in that cause number, counsel, have you received all the discovery as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then in each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. In each cause number, counsel, did you review the true bill of indictment with your client?
Yes, Judge.
And Mr. Galvan, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it? In each cause number, counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Judge.
State, in the cause number ending in 13, which is the drug case, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving count 2, proceeding on count 1 alone, and we're also waiving the enhancement paragraphs.
No, Judge, Your Honor.
All right, and in the cause number ending in 03, the burglary of the building, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, we're waiving the enhancement paragraphs.
No objection.
All right, Mr. Galvan, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? In the cause number ending in 13.
Okay, so here's where things get heavy. We're hearing about Johnny Galvan's possible punishments for these charges. And folks, it's no small matter. For the drug case, the penalty could range from 5 years all the way to 99 years, or even life. And for the burglary, we're looking at anywhere from 180 days to 2 years in a state jail facility, along with hefty fines. But, and here's where it gets interesting, they're working out a plea deal, meaning Galvan's legal team is trying to lock in a lighter sentence. But there's a major catch. If the judge doesn't agree with the deal, Johnny could face a harsher sentence, and he could pull out of the deal entirely. This raises a big question for us. Would you take a plea deal knowing it could backfire? Or would you risk it all and roll the dice with a trial? Let us know your thoughts down in the comments. It's a real gamble for Galvan here.
The state is proceeding on the count that is the manufacturing delivery of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, 4,200 grams. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. In the cause number with the burglary of the building, the range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have plea bargain agreements with the state in each of these cause numbers, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in each of these cause numbers?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
In each cause number, do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He does, and I do.
In each cause number, do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
He is.
Mr. Galvan, in each of the cause numbers, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or forced you to enter this plea?
No, Your Honor.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? I'm sorry. In each of the cause numbers, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, sir.
In the cause number involving the burglary of the B Hill building, according to the plea, 145 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. There's a $2,000 fine. The cases will run concurrently and also concurrently with 2019 CR 13796. And the other cause number involving the drug case, according to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 5 years in the prison. The state is proceeding on count 1. There's a $2,000 fine. There are no applications. They will run concurrent with 2025 CR 006603 and 2019 CR 13796. Did you understand that to be the plea? Defense, is that the plea in each of the cause numbers?
It is, Judge.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each of the cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now this is the part that really gets the adrenaline going. The defense and prosecution have worked out a plea bargain, but the stakes are incredibly high. Galvan's team is agreeing to plead guilty in exchange for a more lenient sentence. 5 years in prison for the drug case, and 145 days in the Bexar County Jail for the burglary. All of this is running concurrently, meaning they'll be served at the same time. But let's not overlook the rest of the deal. A $2,000 fine, restitution to the victims, and a major restriction on future rights, including the loss of the ability to possess firearms. This plea is cutting Johnny Galvan a break, but he's still going to pay a steep price in the long run. Not just in terms of time, but his future as well. It's moments like these where the emotional toll of a plea deal hits hard. Galvan is probably feeling the weight of giving up his right to trial and facing consequences that could follow him for the rest of his life. But was it the right decision?
Counsel, are there any such motions?
Filed but not heard on, Judge.
Then in cause number 2025 CR 006603, the burglary of the building, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? And in the cause number ending in 2025 CR 006113, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, in each of the cause numbers, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all the statements in each case.
You reviewed stage 1 and all the attachments in both cases that appear on Judge.
In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent? Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments in each cause number, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty.
And now, the final moment of reckoning. The court finds Johnny Galvan guilty of both charges, a manufacturing and delivery of a controlled substance and burglary of a building, and sentences him to 5 years in prison for the drug charge, 145 days in county jail for the burglary, and fines on top of that. Oh, and let's not forget the restitution and a no-contact order for certain individuals. It's clear that Galvan is facing some serious consequences here, but what's most interesting is how everything is running concurrently with his other charges. That means his sentences are overlapping, a crucial detail that softens the blow a bit. But at the end of the day, it's still a long road ahead for him. The real question here is, could Galvan have done more to fight this out in court, or did the plea deal truly offer the best possible outcome? Tell us what you think. Do you think he got off easy, or was this the only way out?
And the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Judge.
All right, in cause number 2025 CR 006113, court will find you guilty, sentence you to 5 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. This is run concurrent with 2025 CR 006603, and 2019 CR 13796. And the court will request the therapeutic community. And cause number 2025 CR 006603. Court is going to sentence you to 145 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Give you credit for any time served. This run concurrent with 2025 CR 006113, 2019 CR 13796. There's to be restitution to Renee Rodriguez, Alva Atalia Hernandez, Alay Hillel, Desiree Mitchell, there's to be no contact with Natalie Rodriguez. All right, and each cause number, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
Because these are plea bargain agreements, because I followed your plea bargain agreements, because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right, the other cause number, he's not currently on probation, is he?
No.
All right.
Oh, is that a boy?
I think that's the 2019.
What a ride this has been. Johnny Galvan walks out of this courtroom with a significant sentence, but thanks to the plea bargain, things could have been much worse. 5 years in prison, along with jail time for the burglary, a fine, and restitution. That's a heavy load to bear, but at least he avoids a potentially life sentence conviction. It's a reminder of how crucial plea deals are in the criminal justice system. They can make or break a defendant's future. But here's where you come in. What do you think? Was this a fair plea deal, or did Galvan deserve a harsher sentence? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this case as fascinating as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more real courtroom drama. You won't want to miss what's coming up next.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff.
Good luck.